Hi, welcome to this video on how to upload website on Hostinger. So this is our website and it's now hosted on our local machine. And you can see this is our website file. Now we are going to upload them to Hostinger. For this, first we have to go to Hostinger. So this is our Hostinger dashboard. Now click on this website tab. You can see all of the website that you have created. If you have not created any website yet, then you will see empty here. Now I am going to click this add website button to create a new website. Here you will see a few things, but just ignore it and click on this HTML website. Here you have to enter your domain name that you already have purchased. If you have not purchased any, then you can register a domain from here. I am giving mine that I already have purchased. I am giving a subdomain that because I already hosted a website on my main domain, I am giving a subdomain name. It will automatically create a subdomain under my main domain and click this next button. It will take a few minutes to complete the setup. Now this is our website dashboard. From here you can visit your website by clicking this link. Now our website looks like this because we have not uploaded our website files yet. To upload website files, go to the website dashboard again and click on this file manager button. It will redirect you to the website file manager. So this is our file manager. You can see a warning message here, do not upload here. So we're not going to upload anything here. I'm going to this public HTML folder by double click on it. Now you can see a default file. For this default file, our website is now look like this. So I'm going to delete this default file. And now time to upload our own file. So I'm clicking this upload button to upload our file. To upload file, click on this file icon. I'm selecting all file and clicking this open button. After completing upload all file, now time to upload all folders. So I'm clicking this upload button again and this time select this folder button. I'm going to select this first folder and upload it by click on this upload button. They're showing an alert. Just click on this upload button. It will take some time to upload the folder. And again click this upload button and select folder. And select the second folder and click upload again. Now you can see our website files and folders uploaded successfully. If you have a many website files, then you can zip it and upload it here and then you can unzip it later. It will work the same, but now my files are few. That's why I am uploading like this. If we visit our website now you can see our website is updated. So that's how you can upload your website on Hostinger. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.